What's up, guys? Back with another weekend ride. Great ride, real powdery, soft dirt. You know how it is when you start riding a bunch and it chews up that dirt and makes it real fine, powdery, slick. And yeah, still a good day. Oh, you might be asking, Big Doc, where's your bike? Out front. I washed it. I'm gonna give y'all that bike check. It's gonna be in this video, so don't miss that. Got a crash in here. TA took a slam on the old 2 smoker, and wasn't bad. I mean, he landed on pavement, unfortunately, but brand new grips, just shredded them all the way down to the bar. But other than that, knocked a few things loose, and we straightened out the front end. Still got a ride in, so there's still good riding. So we're gonna see you on the trail. I'm gonna go talk about this bike. Also, I forget to tell y'all, you see our little tags, tags in the videos that tells you who the rider is and stuff. Those are our Instagrams, if y'all were wondering. So if y'all want to creep on us or check us out, see what we do other than ride dirt bikes. And I don't think we do anything but ride dirt bikes. I'm really not sure. But yeah, those are our Instagrams. If y'all want to follow us, hit us up, say what's up, cuss us out. I don't know. I gave you where to do it. You're gonna ride straight through here. You got it?
Oh, a toilet!
You okay? No.
I'm good.
We're going?
Yeah. You got any rocks on there? Maybe that one. Nice clear. Fuck me, Daddy.
My bad. Choke me, Daddy.
Maybe that one might have something, but that one's
It's got a tampon.
nice and open.
Right in front of the crew. Now I have to.
KX450F. Motor wise, I haven't really done anything to it. I'm kind of a run it till she blows kind of guy. I mean, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's kind of how I roll with that kind of thing. I mean, cosmetically, that's mostly what I've done suspension wise. We had that done by Works Connection. Since I'm a heavy duty fella, you know, I had to get it done because we do a lot of trail riding, we do track stuff, and we're always looking for something to jump. So definitely had to get that dialed in so we're not clapping out the springs. But yeah, we got the Flow foot peg. I like Flow parts. I mean, I'm sure everybody rides them, probably likes them. If you don't come for me in the comments. But we got the, I don't know what they're called. I call them jet fuel. I rode BMX most of my life, so jet fuel. And then we got the Tusk shifter, black arm, gnarled green foot peg. You know, we got the little bling kit on the motor, but it's whatever. And custom seat cover. Thrill Seekers custom seat cover. I got the green classic Cowie stuff, cheetah print, and then my bike company, Bicycles clothing company, was big when I did the seat. I was all about that. And you know, we got the Renthals twin walls. I've had those for a while. You know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And then we got the Jet Fuel Flow bar mounts, and I got the Flow levers because I am a brake lever breaker. So you know, we got them. Hopefully they last. And then the Fly kill switch, just to clean up the bar a little. Other than that, up there, nothing special. We got the Mika grips, and we got the Renthal sprocket. This is the Niche X-ring chain, I think that's how you say it. Yeah. You know, we got the, like I said, the Showa air fork. We got them done by Works Connection. There's my heavy duty settings. Yeah, you know, it's a fine unit. We'll come to this side and take a gander. And then we do have the full tie pipe, Pro Circuit pipe, carbon tip. Oh, we do have the frame savers. I kind of like them. You know, it really made the bike pop after we put them on, so I really dig that. Recluse, the full clutch system. I got the basket and everything. It's the 3.0 Recluse clutch. You know, we had to do something. You know, it's easier to ride with it. You know, doing the enduro stuff and the trail riding and racing. You know, it's good stuff. Really helps not kill the bike so much, because I have killed it before somehow. The only thing that sucks about it, you know, no roll starting. So if you kill it, you gotta stop. And you know, unfortunately, I'm still on that kicker. Someday we'll grow up and we'll get the button start, and we'll be fresh to death with that. But I think that's it. I mean, just to, you know, a partial graphics kit on here. Yeah, I mean, front and rear suspension is done for my heavy dutiness. Yeah, it's a fun unit. I enjoy it. You know, someday we'll get another one, and we'll put all the money into it again, and it'll be a whole nother unit to stick in the garage, because we have quite a few bikes in the garage. But yeah, I mean, if you want to see my other bikes, I have a 2001 250 two-stroke. I have an 07 450F. Nothing really done to the 07. All black plastic, seat cover. You know, a little here's and there's, but nothing fancy. And then the two-stroke, that's been fully rebuilt. New motor. It's got a graphics kit. It's got some upgraded parts. Let me know if y'all want to see that one. We'll do another one. But if you want a more in-depth look at this bike or any of them, just hit me in the comments and I'll make a full video. I'll give you all the specs if that's what you want. But you know, clean unit, I like it.